Recent breakthroughs in ancient DNA research are dramatically reshaping our understanding of Neanderthals, revealing a story far more complex than previously imagined. For decades, scientists believed Neanderthals were a relatively uniform group of archaic humans who lived across Europe and parts of Western Asia, distinct from modern humans both behaviorally and genetically. However, cutting-edge analyses of DNA extracted from fossils dating tens of thousands of years have uncovered surprising interconnections. Neanderthals were not an isolated branch, but part of a dynamic evolutionary network, interacting and even interbreeding with other hominin species, including our own ancestors. According to recent studies published in leading journals, sequences from ancient Neanderthal genomes suggest that different populations were genetically diverse, with some groups sharing more DNA with modern humans than with other Neanderthals, hinting at multiple waves of migration and contact over millennia. These findings challenge earlier models that depicted a simple divergence between Neanderthals and Homo sapiens, highlighting instead a web of genetic exchanges, localized adaptations, and complex population dynamics. The research also sheds light on traits that were uniquely Neanderthal: robust skeletal structures, cold weather adaptations, and specialized tool-making skills, while simultaneously revealing genetic contributions that persist in modern humans today, influencing immunity, skin traits, and even aspects of cognition. Experts note that such interbreeding events were not rare anomalies, but likely common occurrences that shaped human evolution in fundamental ways. In addition to genetic data, archaeological evidence now supports a picture of Neanderthals as sophisticated beings, capable of symbolic behavior, art, and strategic hunting, reinforcing the idea that our evolutionary cousins were far from the brutish stereotypes of the past. While some debates remain regarding the timing and frequency of gene flow between Neanderthals and early Homo sapiens, the consensus increasingly points to a nuanced narrative. Neanderthals were resilient, adaptable, and integral players in the broader story of human evolution. And as new analytical techniques continue to improve, we may soon discover even more about their migrations, social structures, and interactions with the environment. These insights remind us that the story of our species is not linear or isolated, but a complex mosaic of relationships, exchanges, and shared legacies. And that's something worth remembering when we next consider who our ancient